Todoist versus Apple Reminders. So Todoist is a cross-platform task manager that's widely praised for its clean design, productivity-focused features, and integrations with hundreds of apps and services. So for the pros, it offers cross-platform support, powerful task management, integrations, collaborations, and gamification, which means it lets you share projects and assign tasks to others. And there are a camera system which motivates you to build productivity habits. The cons is though, it has some premium costs and a learning curve, and also some offline limitations, which means it has advanced features which requires a paid subscription. Now, Apple Reminder, on the other hand, is Apple's built-in task manager, available free on the iPhone, iPad, Mac, and the Apple Watch. It's simply reliable and tightly integrated into the Apple ecosystem. So for the pros and cons, it is free and pre-installed. It offers deep Apple ecosystem integration. They have ease of use because it's very simple to use and make reminders with natural language inputs. It has shared lists, which allows collaboration with family, friends, or teammates in the Apple ecosystem. And there are some locations, time-based reminders, which reminds you when you arrive at work or at 5 p.m. The cons is though, it's also only available in Apple. There's no native Android, Windows, or web app support. It also has limited features, and it's not best and suited for power users. So overall, if you want a simple, free and reliable task manager that works seamlessly across Apple, choose Apple Reminders. But if you need a powerful cross-platform task manager with advanced features, choose Todoist.